In this task, we need to install Jenkins. So Jenkins is a CI/CD tool. So let's install that. So remember, when you want to do something, when you want to install something, just don't remember the commands, just to know the process. So if you want to install Jenkins, so for this one, we need to connect to our Jenkins server first, then SSH into it. Username is root, and then this password we are in. Now we need to install. If you click on this Jenkins here, it's not gonna work. So let's install. You can say install Jenkins, and then look for Red Hat. So before that, if you want to check your OS, you can run this command. Simply you can run apt. If it doesn't work, then yum. So you got this help page. That means it's CentOS or Red Hat. Otherwise, you can do this way as well. /etc release, you can say. So click on Red Hat, scroll down. You just need to copy this thing. So it's gonna add repo and then upgrade, and then it's gonna install Java because Jenkins needs Java. It's based on Java actually, and then it's gonna reload. So simply paste it and enter. Probably we need to install duplicate, I think. Let's see. Now this has been done. Let's check systemctl status Jenkins. It is not installed. Let's try this command again. Okay, because if we run this, we don't have this duplicate. So install that first. Install duplicate -y, and then simply copy it again, paste it. Okay, now if you run this command systemctl status Jenkins, it says disabled. If you run it systemctl enable and Jenkins, that means whenever you restart this, reboot this machine, it's automatically going to start the Jenkins service. But if you do it now, if you check the status, it's still disabled. Either you can start it, if you want you can do this way as well. While enabling, simply you can put --- now. Before that, click on this link again. It says enter it. My bad, we need to give a space. Now you can check status. It's active and running now. If you refresh it, you're gonna see this page. So now we need password, so simply copy this, cat it, and then get this password. So once you're done with this, just click on install suggested plugins. It's gonna take a while. It has some installation failures. You can continue. So we need to create user the admin with this password, and then username is Kirsty. So the admin, paste the password again, and username is okay, Kirsty, and then email is this one. Now you're done with installation part, so you can click on check. So before that, I'd like to show you just a simple job how to create. Click on create job. Maybe you could say hello, choose freestyle, and then I'm just gonna run a simple script. I'm gonna say echo I am, maybe I'm gonna print username, save it, build it. Click on here, console output. Now you can see I am Jenkins. So we are running everything as a Jenkins user. So now check the task results. It's successful. Thank you so much for watching.